Okay, so in this video lesson we're going to show you a quick and easy way to fill a range with some values or a formula or something like that. So in this example what we have here is someone has maybe copy and pasted as values a pivot table, and when they do that the product column here has a leading entry which is supposed to pertain to the rest of the data, but we're going to want to go ahead and fill that in. So for example, we want to copy this product name down there along so that it pertains to each location. And if you have a big list, if you have a small list you can do that manually, but if you have a big list of things you might want to find a better way to do that. And so we're going to do that by using go to blanks. So what we're going to do is highlight the range that we want to fill in. We're going to press Ctrl and G to bring up the go to dialog box, and we're going to click on the special button and we're going to select blanks from the go to special menu. Then we'll press OK, and that'll highlight just the blank cells in that row. Now if we start typing a formula by typing out equals, and we'll just reference the cell above. Now if we just press enter, it'll just fill in that particular cell, but if we hold Control and press enter, it'll fill that entire range. And as you can see, we now have exactly what we wanted. And we can, if you don't want those to be formulas anymore because maybe you're sorting your data and things like that, you can copy and paste. So Control C to copy and then paste it as just values using Control Alt V to bring up the paste special menu, and you can select values and OK, and then we just have the values left.